Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to enable and disable the child lock function on Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine. This method may also work for other similar front load Samsung washing machines too. So let's check it out. This child lock feature comes handy when we have children and kids in our home. When we enable this option, they won't be able to make any effective changes to the washing machine when they accidentally or playfully press the buttons. So we can enable this option when the kids are playing around the washing machine area. By default, we can change the settings. We can open the drum and close it without any issue. Like even with a little force, some kids can easily open this. But with the child lock, it will lock this drum and also disable majority of the settings here. To enable the child lock, we have to press this and symbol here. This one, we just have to press this. Now use the dial to go to the end. We have child lock. We just have to press this circle icon. That's all. Now the drum is locked as well and we can't use any settings. We can't do anything unless we turn off the child lock. When the child lock feature is enabled, we can't use any functions apart from this power button and this and symbol button. Apart from this, we can't use anything. We can't press anything. We will get a beep saying child lock is on. To disable this child lock, we have to go to this and symbol again. Press this once. Now use the dial to go to the end. And press the circle icon again. Now it is turned off. Door and button unlocked. We can open the drum now. That's all. We can also make the changes we want. These are the steps to enable and disable child lock function on Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.